Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Watla ka di kasian ke baningkong ya urang ya kura ka jala Shanborlang marbanyang banlet ya shimbenta shabari penban ulala ban penpau ya kajing tebet hashwa bun syaram no hakarensan ya kura jong ka Rise of Champions kabalalong ha Bangkok ka bah Thailand. Utay urang ya kura ubana laimer opa Shillong ula syaram no hakawat ka Khyndai ha Jason padan Vason ubana Philippi haka light flyweight bout kabadan hadu shiphotali kiwat jingakun kabanlong haka arpundu tarik unai luar haja arpasau. Kani kalong kasian kabaningkong ba Shanborlang unya kun hadu shiphotali kiwat jingakun kabadan hadu laipo minute handai lahap ban pensengi no hakawat ka Khyndai hadian ba Shanborlang umla syu ban betengi ka jingakura namar ka jingthat palat kamet bat Jason ulayo ban pedang ya kabel jong ke ABF flyweight champion. Kumba kapau, Jason udai urang ya kura ubabat ya kekerdan ke bakat pra haka perthai, haka ba ula job kat lai sien, ya khat shi sien, bat syaram shi sien. Kat ba Shanborlang ula job san sien, ya khat ar sien, bat syaram ar sien.
Shanborlang ma baniang. Shanborlang you just tell from his body language that he keeps backing off. But is he baiting his opponent into a devastating attack? It looks like he sometimes is, but
he went to touch gloves and he just pretended to touch his glove and then cracked him with a big hand. Protect yourself at all time. And Jason Pearson is not waiting. Both fighters are going to stop complaining about the low blows here.
just needs to get that job done right now. It's just to finish this fight.
He's throwing very similar hooks to an uppercut as well. Very much a corkscrew shot as well. Keeping it up. By Shanborlang.
Shanborlang targeting the head with a left hook. It's not been a bad round for Shanborlang, been able to survive and get his own shots off very well. The shoulder roll looks like it's paid off for him.
Yeah.
Huge overhand right there from Shanborlang. Just lifted up the guard with that uppercut that was very light, but just to get his attention so he can, or distract him so he can land that overhand right.
Jason Pearson's had his chin tested in this fight so far, and he's been wobbled possibly twice as well.
Shanborlang getting pressured here by Jason Vason. Left hook to the body, right hook to the head